So the question is, the output of a given logic circuit resembles the output of which gate based on a given option. So here we can use a basic logic gates to find the answer for this question. In the first, we have a NOR gate which is having an operation of a plus b whole bar. So it's given that a and b are an input. So we can take the input of first NOR gate as y1. So here we will get the output of a plus b whole bar. Again, it is going to the second NOR gate and this is taking the same input. There is no other extra input. We know that the output of NOR gate is a plus b whole bar. So here again it will take a plus b bar the whole bar. So we can say the output y2 here will be a plus b bar the whole bar. So here we can write y2 will be equal to a plus b1. So again, it is going to the NOT gate. We know the operation of NOT gate, which will give exactly the inverse. So here we can write the output y will be equal to y3 and y3 is nothing but the inverse. So we can write a plus b whole bar. So a plus b whole bar will be the output y. And when we are checking the operation and notation of logic gate, we can say NOR gate is having a similar expression. So the correct answer for the question is option B, NOR gate.